Welcome. My name is Mike Mackler. I'm the athletic director here at GCIT. With me now is the female athlete of the week, Megan Prettyman. Megan,
hi.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Megan is a member of the girls bowling team. Megan, what grade are you in?
Sophomore.
Sophomore. What's your program?
Allied Health.
Allied Health. And what town are you from?
Deptford.
Deptford. So as of this taping, the season's been over for about a week or so. Megan and the girls bowling team had an outstanding season this year. Just to go, some of the awards that went through, the Holiday Bowl that you guys won. You girls won the NJTAC, finished third in the sectionals, qualified for states. Mm-hmm. So as a team, that had to be an awesome year for you guys.
Yeah, it was pretty awesome. We never gone to states before as a school, so that was pretty cool. Mm-hmm. We just had really good chemistry this year. And
it seemed like throughout the year, it just seems like, obviously everyone bowled pretty well, but some would do really well, and then others picked up the slack some days, so it seems like you had a lot of depth on your team. Yeah,
like when one person does bad, other people do good, and we just pick each other up.
As an individual, you had a very good year, especially towards the end of the year, Megan. Mm-hmm. You finished second at sectionals, mm-hmm. and you made it, like I said, as an individual to the states with two other teammates, which is pretty awesome. And you wound up finishing in the top 23rd, I think. Mm-hmm. So that had to be really cool, and to have two other teammates there with you. How long have you been bowling for?
I've been bowling since I was about 9. 9.
What do you like about bowling?
Like being with teammates and I don't know.
But just the overall atmosphere and everything. I gotta tell you, when I go to bowling matches, everyone seems to get along really well. Even the other team, everybody knows each other. And I mean, everyone's trying to do really well, mm-hmm. but they all cheer for each other. So it's a pretty cool atmosphere. Mm-hmm. So next year, you're coming back. I think you only lose one senior. Yeah. So I mean, you have a lot of people coming back. So it's got to make the future, the next couple of years, look pretty good.
Yeah, I think next year is going to be another really good year.
Good stuff. Before I let you go, what is one of the best things about GCIT bowling that you like?
I like how close we are as a family, and we all get along really well.
What's one of the best things about GCIT?
All the programs and being able to spend time in your own career and what you want to do in the future.
Sounds good. All right, well, listen, congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, best of luck the rest of the school year.
Thank you.
Female Athlete of the Week, Megan Prettyman. Welcome back. My name is Mike Mackler, Athletic Director here at GCIT. With me now is the Male Athlete of the Week, Jake Silva. Jake, congratulations.
Thank you.
Jake is a member of the boys basketball team. Jake, what is your program?
I'm in business here at GCIT.
Business, grade?
I'm a senior.
And what town are you from?
I'm from Swedesboro, Kingsway area.
Okay. So as this taping, tonight is the big night.
Yeah.
The first ever home playoff game in GCIT history, boys and girls. So just that in itself has got to be exciting for the team.
Oh yeah, it's very exciting. We're prepared.
Good. It's been a really good season this year. Just looking back at some of the things that you guys have accomplished, won the Atkinson tournament for the second year in a row. And just, really play some great games against some good teams. And we got some nice wins against Williamstown, who we did beat during the season, but we split, Kingsway for the first time ever, So I got to feel like, this has been probably an enjoyable season for you guys.
Oh, yeah, it definitely has. Coming into my freshman year, that was kind of the big goal was, just make the team better in general. So the fact that we have accomplished a lot of things, it's really awesome.
One of the things, Jake, that I've been impressed with the team, and I just going to you guys, is that it just seems it's a very unselfish team. I can just tell you that no one is afraid to pass the ball to somebody else. Everyone's encouraging. If somebody comes off the bench, there's all the confidence in the world in the next person. And I think that's helped the team because that's just another person you have to worry about, not just concentrating on one person.
Right. Yeah, our team, that's a very big part of our team. We're very together and trusting each other, and it's awesome that we can all trust each other on the floor, so it's great.
Now, what position do you play?
I'm a shooting guard.
Shooting guard. Now, how long have you been playing basketball for?
I've been playing basketball my entire life. It's been a whole lifestyle. So.
And going into tonight, first ever playoff game, and the team are ready to go. Everyone's
Yeah, we had a great practice yesterday at RCGC. We kind of just wanted to get used to the baskets and stuff, but Yeah, we've been playing really good in that gym so far, so hopefully we can get another one in
I was
there.
about to say that's where we won the Atkinson tournament. So
Yeah,
we're doing pretty good. So well, listen, hope for a great game tonight. Best of luck. What's one of the best things about GCIT basketball?
GCIT basketball, I would say the team and our vibe there. We have a very positive vibe on our team. So all of us, we all pick each other up no matter what. We're all always together. And there's never a doubt in the next person on the bench, so that's a great thing about our team.
What's one of the best things about GCIT?
I would say the teachers, in my opinion. I think there's a lot of great teachers here, and especially the gym teachers. They've really helped me through all of high school to be just a better person.
Good. And the mystery question is, what do you think of the beard? Do I keep it?
The beard? Yeah, I like the beard, honestly. I like it. I think you should grow it out.
I like this guy. Good stuff.
I do.
Jake, congratulations and best of luck to you.
Appreciate it.
Male Athlete of the Week, Jake Silva.